Hello guys, today is 20th of August 2019 and this analysis is provided to you by GTC Markets. I hope you love our analysis and like and subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube page. Okay, I'll start with the fundamental news. There is no such big impact or big movement news scheduled for today, but tomorrow we have the US initial jobless claims and some manufacturing data. All of them is expected on a higher tone. I mean, it's better than expected. So what I suggest you guys is for the shorter time period, be a bull in the dollar. Okay, this is what can be expected. And on the other hand, now let's move towards the ranges in the intraday setups, because as you know, there is no such big movement today, so I don't expect the market to move in a higher tone. Okay, I'll start with the majors and see what options do we have. This is dollar yen, and I will start my ranges. Okay, if you can see, this pair has not been able to break any of its range in a buying or selling option. Look at this. No buying over here, no selling over here. Okay, on the next day it has done a little bit of selling, like say 19 pips, but for the next day is not required. For the next day we have our own settings. See, nothing in the buy, nothing in the selling. Okay, that means this pair was in a range since 2 days. What do we have now? Again, I'll draw my Fibonacci's. If I get a selling option over here or a buying option over here, that is the place where I will come into a trade. And the next one is a dollar Swissy. And what do we have here? If you come over here, see, this was a good buying option over here. Good. This was a good selling option on the 23 level. And then we had a good buying option over here, but unfortunately we missed by a couple of pips. And now let's see what do we have here. Will be a buyer at the 76 level and a seller at 23 level. Okay, now let's move towards dollar CAD. I'll draw my fibs. If you want my setups, you can just email at support GTC Markets, and all the setups will be delivered to you. No need to worry about. It's all free of cost. Okay, so look at the history, what happened over here. No buying setup over here and no selling setup over here. Okay, and from the day start, market was in the selling zone over here, so it went pretty good. And then over here in the day start, market was in the buying zone and the market went pretty good. And now this is our selling place and this is our buying place. See what happens. I'll go with the New Zealand dollar. What do we have here? This is our buying zone over here and selling zone over here. Let's see what has been happening in the past. Okay, just a touch at the 76 level. Obviously the entry has been placed if you had placed a pending order, and we had made 24 pips, pretty good pips in the M30 chart. And then over here next day, okay, we didn't be in a selling zone, neither in a buying zone for the day. And what do we have here? Sorry, okay, nothing yet. Over here we had some buying opportunity and it went like 15 pips for now, but keep in mind, look for your Bollinger Bands. Is it to the lower side or the upside? It's moving towards the downside. Okay, so selling is better. Same thing over here, it's on the upside, let it come towards the downside, or have a strong bearish like candlestick pattern at this level, and then you can expect the market to move downwards. Okay, or a strong bullish candlestick pattern at this level. You can come into H1 as well if you want to see some good accurate candles. Okay, let me break this over here. like something over here and something over here. Okay, and then we'll move to pound USD. What do we have in pound USD? Look at this. For this day, I don't think this entry has been placed, and for this day we are in the buying zone and the market rush towards the upside. For this day again we are in the buying zone. Okay, the market rush towards the upside. And for this day again we started in our selling zone, and then we saw great momentum towards the downside. And now again for today we are in range. Okay, not in the buying zone yet, not in the selling zone yet. Okay, this was for now. If you guys have loved our strategy, you want our setups, you want to learn from us, our second batch has already been started. You can just email us at support at GTC Markets, and I'll surely be there to help you out and teach you all setups. We don't charge a single penny. Okay, all we need to do is help you and teach you how to trade the proper way. Okay, this was for now. Again, I'll request you guys to like and share our Facebook and YouTube page, and do let me know if you guys need any type of help from GTC Markets. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a good day.